In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify payout schedule in Chrome. If you want more control over when your store payouts arrive, this is a simple setting you can update in just a few moments. Adjusting your payout schedule can help you better manage cash flow, stay organized, and choose a payment rhythm that fits the way you run your business. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to save your changes. To begin, open Chrome and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the settings area. This is where Shopify keeps your store's core configuration options, including billing, payments, and other account preferences. Inside settings, click on payments. This section contains the payment providers connected to your store, along with the options related to how money is processed and paid out. When you're in the payments page, look for the Shopify payments section. This is the area that controls your store's direct payout settings if Shopify Payments is active on your account. Within that section, click Manage. This opens the detailed settings for your Shopify Payments account, including payout preferences and related payment configuration options. Next, scroll down until you find the payout schedule settings block. Take your time here because this section is specifically where you can decide how often Shopify sends your available funds to your bank account. Depending on your store's setup and region, the options may include daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. Now choose the payout frequency you prefer. If you want funds to be sent as often as possible, select every day. If you prefer a more predictable routine, weekly may be a good option. And if you'd rather group payouts together less frequently, you can choose monthly. The best choice depends on how you track revenue, pay expenses, and manage your bookkeeping. After selecting your preferred frequency, click Save to apply the change. That's the final step, and once it's saved, your new payout schedule will be active going forward. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to briefly review the page and confirm that the selected payout schedule is showing correctly. This helps ensure the update was applied successfully. Also remember that payout timing can still be influenced by bank processing times and your store's payment